In a world where industries must constantly innovate, where efficiency and reliability are paramount, a new offer from Schneider Electric has arrived. Introducing the Altivar Process ATV6100, part of the medium voltage process drive. Built for excellence, the ATV6100 is designed to perform across industries, from water and wastewater to metals, mining, and more. With a compact design that offers up to 40% less footprint, the versatile ATV6100 is easy to install, reducing the total cost of ownership. Efficiency lies at the core of the ATV6100. It ensures energy savings with low harmonics, high performance, ensuring more sustainable industrial processes. High-quality, reliable components and a modular design ensure simplified and faster maintenance. And the power cell bypass feature optimizes operations for uninterrupted performance and maximum uptime. It adapts to your facility's needs with flexible input and output voltage options thanks to its integrated transformer, ensuring seamless operation. Enhance your operational effectiveness with an intuitive graphic display, customizable multi-language settings, and EcoStruxure Asset Advisor monitoring ready, empowering your maintenance team to make data-driven decisions. The ATV6100 isn't just a drive. It's a commitment to the future of industrial performance, boosting efficiency, reducing downtime, and fostering sustainability. The new Altivar Process ATV6100 from Schneider Electric, your compact and versatile solution.